How can we help the Coalition of Hindus of North America while volunteer for them or sign up or be informed? So, Pushpita.
But that's easy. There are many levels of involvement. We're a volunteer led organization, so we are only as strong as our volunteers are. And we can literally accommodate a whole range of commitments. At the very least, follow us, look us up, follow us on social, donate, become a volunteer, volunteer your time. And believe me, we can use almost every skill that there is out there, whether you're into technology, whether you write or do graphics or lobby or communicate, whatever, there is a space for everybody. So this movement is only as strong as the people who join it. And I think it's a wonderful place because you get to meet a lot of like-minded people, and you actually you get to make a difference. I think that is very rewarding. So I would encourage everybody to go look us up and join and donate.
Great. And what I'll do, guys, is it doesn't matter if you're listening to this on the audio version or you're going to be watching this later on or are watching it right now. You can just go to the description of the podcast. I'll leave the link to their website, and you can just click the link, and you will have all the information there on the website itself. All right, guys, time to wrap it up. This was a fun conversation. It's always interesting to hear multiple perspectives. So, Nikunj, Pushpita, thanks a lot for coming on the podcast and chatting with us over here.
No, thank you very much. It was our pleasure. Namaste.
Thanks for having us. Namaste.
All right, guys, time to wrap today's discussion up. Like I said, the website address for Kona will be there in the description of the podcast. Please go there and check them out and do your bit. There's one space that I'm interested to watch out is now there's going to be a lot of Hindu organizations that are going to be coming up in America, and I've said this, and all the organizations in America, they're like, "Tu kya baatein karta rehta hai?" But I'm telling you, there is a unique, distinct difference that is coming up in America. Maybe that is for another podcast some other day, and I'll tell you how I came across this, and these are going to be my closing comments for the day. I got married to someone who is a Canadian, born and raised in there, and my wife used to think she's Indian. Only until she met me did she realize she's not Indian, she's Canadian. And that is the difference. Now, there are a lot of Indians who are going to be first generation immigrants who are going to go there. They carry a different understanding. They become Americans. And they will be coming up with a different idea of Hinduism. Their approach to Indian politics is going to be different. They might be more hands-on with Indian politics. Unlike that, maybe a generation like my wife's generation, who's maybe second or third generation, they're just kids born there. They don't know anything about India other than Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, or the new Bollywood people dancing and singing their songs. That's their understanding of India. They literally think India is what they see in the Bollywood with the subtitles. And when these two communities come together, it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'll just be sitting in the corner with my popcorn, eating it all the time and watching all of that bundling down. I'm not saying this in a negative way. I like it. I like it because what will come out of it is because the Indians who have gone there from India will be pushing a certain narrative. The Indians who are born and raised there, who are just there, or people of Indian origin who are just there, who are just basically Americans or Canadians, they have a different perspective. I think this will be settled like it is now in UK. I think UK is very settled because the Indians over there have been there for a longer time, unlike North America. But that's my comment for the day. Check out Kona. Go and visit their website. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, become a member on YouTube, go and subscribe on Patreon, send your donations via UPI if you're in India, or buy the Charvak podcast merch. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, namaste, take care, good.